common visa hurdles that students face, and how can they be best managed, addressed?
I always say that
Student visa,
visa
yeah.
application is more important than your university application.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because you may get selected in a university, you are all set, but your visa is not approved, you are not going
Hmm.
anywhere. So
Hmm.
visa application is very important. And when it comes to application procedure or the right application procedure, it is for New Zealand, for any other country. First, read out the guideline. Every
Hmm.
country has their immigration website. They have all the documents are uploaded there or listed there. Read it
True, true,
very
true.
carefully. Make some
Hmm.
notes, what you need to add, what you don't need
Hmm.
to add, what type of document you need to show them. Make a
Hmm.
list of it. And when you're applying, or you're on through online process or through offline process, follow those guidelines step by step.
Yes.
The common mistakes, which is common for any country, is an incomplete application.
Hmm.
Okay, it's a very
Okay.
common mistake. Student miss it, this miss some blocks and all, and that costs them heavily. Second, whenever you're putting any information, suppose it is your name, it is your date of birth, if it is your address, make sure that whatever letter, number you are putting there, it is same in any every document of you,
Yes,
especially in
yes,
your
yes.
passport or
Even the
any.
spelling, I guess, because of
Absolutely,
that also it
absolutely.
gets
Absolutely, because
yeah,
sometimes
rejected
people,
sometimes.
sometimes what people do, they miss that there is a name and there is a surname. And in two
Hmm.
documents, one there is a
And
name
one they
and then there is a
yes.
name and surname.
Hmm.
This is a fault and they should not do it.
Hmm.
It should be same in every document. They should check it.
Hmm.
Third point is, uh, do not make any claim that is not true.
Hmm.
Many students always, they did is they hide their travel details, or they
Okay.
hide their visa rejection details.
Hmm.
Don't do it. They may
Hmm.
think that the immigration office will not catch it, will know it. But I would warn you here, they have everything on their database. From your name, from your passport number, they can pull up all the details if they have any doubt. So do not hide anything. Do not make any fraudulent claim. Do not make any claim which is not true. Be
Hmm.
truthful there.
Hmm.
This is the third point. Fourth is the financial proof. The criteria are very set. The amount of money you need to study there, to stay and to come back. You should have that money in the specified format, in the way they want. You must make sure that whatever financial proof documents you are showing, it is as per the guideline of the Immigration Office of New Zealand, or for that matter, any country. This is the point. Fourth, fifth point is that you need to pay the tuition fees in advance. Most universities want it for the whole year.
Hmm. Hmm.
You should submit the proof that you have provided the tuition fees. That document should be there. Your accommodations, if it is already arranged and all, you should also show that you have accommodation there. If you are staying with some of your relative or guardian, local guardian there, you should also mention it. The point is that whenever they ask for anything, give full details and truthful details. Nothing
Yes.
false, nothing less.